Here I'm entering the business or brand name, for example like Photoland. Then here in the description, we have to say what it's about. So put some short description relevant to your brand or business. Something like we're a photography team based in California with over 10 years of experience in weddings, portraits, events, and product shots. And that will be enough for the AI to create the whole website. Now clicking on the create website, my whole website will be created in minutes. The best thing is that the website will be 100% responsive, meaning it will look good on all screen sizes, whether it's a laptop, tablet, or mobile. And look, my website is fully created. I can simply click on continue and make my website live within just a click. A lot of us don't know how to code, but sometimes you need to create a website urgently. Maybe because you have started a new business and suddenly need a website, or maybe you have opened a bank account and they're asking for your website link, saying your account won't be verified until we check your website. So what would you do if you're stuck in this situation? How to make a website quickly? You don't know coding, you can build a website yourself. Even if you hire someone, they'll charge money and a good amount of time. So what should you do? I'm gonna tell you how to make your very first website within 5 minutes with the help of AI. You just have to give simple prompts and the whole website will be ready in minutes. This will be exclusively for businessmen and entrepreneurs who need a website immediately. They don't want to do any website development business, but need a website for their business to create an online identity. So let's go ahead and start the video, and I'm gonna be showing you how you can also make a website using AI. See, it won't take more than 10 minutes to create a website, and the cost will be under $50, and your website will be online for a whole year, which is a lot better than hiring developers and paying them $300 to $500 for a website. You'll even get a domain name for free. Just follow the exact steps I do, and after 10 minutes, you'll create and upload your own website on the internet. Okay, so first open your browser, whether it's a computer or mobile. On the address bar, just type jimfahaddigital.com/best host and enter. And you'll see this interface. Now, what is Hostinger? Hostinger provides you the space to keep your website on the internet. And also you'll get the AI tool with the Hostinger fully free of cost. Now we're going to click on claim deal. And we can see some plans here. You can choose any plans based on your needs. We have premium, business, and cloud startup. But if you're starting out, I'd recommend you choose this premium plan. With this plan, you can create up to 25 websites, 25 GB of SSD storage. You'll get a .com domain name totally for free, and all the features like unlimited free SSL certificate, which is to make your website fully secure, and all the other things which are crucial to run a website on the internet. However, if you need to create more websites, or even more features, more storage, you can choose other plans like business or this one. But if you want, you can choose the first one and upgrade to the bigger plans later. So now I'm going to choose the premium plan. Just click on choose plan. And from here, we can choose the time period. You can choose for how long you want your website to be online. I do not recommend the 1 month plan at all because the cost will be really expensive. You have to renew the plan for $12 each month. So I recommend you to choose the longer periods like 48 months, and with this you can keep your website for whole 4 years. And now it's only $2.99 per month. Now for the tutorial, let's say I choose this 12 months plan. So I can host my website for a whole year and it's only costing me $47. And then you'll get 10% discount more if you just type our code. On the coupon code, if you type JFD10 and click on apply. Now we're getting 10% discount, and now this is only $43. By the way, make sure you have come here through this link I have showed you earlier. Otherwise, you won't get even this discount. Okay, so after applying the coupon, checking all the charges, you can click continue. Then you'll simply have to register on the Hostinger. You can use Google or enter your email and password manually. And after registering, just fill all the billing address and click continue. Then you can choose any payment methods from here. Then just complete the payment. And after doing all the process, you'll get an email, complete the verification, and you'll be on the Hostinger's dashboard. But in case you're not redirected into the Hostinger dashboard, you can just open a new tab and type hostinger.com. Then click on login and just log in with the same account you registered. At this point, you have bought the Hostinger plan. Now it's time to get the free domain name or claim the free domain name. So we can click on this domains. Then click on get a new domain. And this is the domain search box. You can actually search any kind of domain you like. For example, I'm searching thephotoland.com and I'm searching. And luckily you can see this domain name is available. But in my case, it's showing buy now on all the extensions. But for your case, it'll show claim domain or get domain. If you didn't claim the domain name in your case, it'll show claim the domain or get the domain. So click on that button, says claim or get, and the domain name will be yours. So after getting the domain name, it's time to build a website using Hostinger AI. And now this will be really interesting and easy. So first, click on this websites. In your case, you won't have any website here, so you need to click on add website. Here we can see many options to create a website like WordPress, then custom PHP HTML website, but we need to click on this Hostinger website builder. It's an AI-powered drag and drop website builder. Now we get this interface. We just need to add few information about our website and the AI will create the whole website for us. Just put the name of your business or brand. I'm adding Photoland. And on the description, we have to describe the project or the brand in a few sentences. Like this, just some short description, and it will be enough to create our website. Click on this create a website. After generating the website, you will be able to manage the whole website, like you can change any text or any images, color, design, everything will be in your hand. Okay, and the website is generated. We can see this is our website, nicely generated. It has a video also. So if you scroll down, we can see it has every necessary things for a photography website. It's a really nice looking website. Then from here we can choose the color palette. You can choose any of them from here. Let's say I select this one. Now we gotta click on this continue and we will be able to edit the whole website. See, every single thing is editable now. You click on the text, you can directly change the text from here, or you can click on the text. You can even use AI writer to generate text for you. After, if you scroll down, we have the buttons. We click on these buttons, we edit the button. We can edit the button text like explore more. Then if you want to attach any link to this button, you can do it. For example, you have a contact us page, and if anyone clicks on this button, it will take them to that particular page. Then scroll down, we have images. You can easily change the images by clicking here, or you can use the generate option, and you will be actually able to generate images relevant to your business. For example, I'm showing you wide shot of a big mountain. You can like add any details into it and click create images. It will generate 2 images for you. You can just choose any of them from here. As you can see, it's exactly showing the image I have prompted. So select the image from here and it will be simply replaced. So same thing with everything in here. Every single thing is editable, customizable, and changeable. Then here on the footer, here maybe you want to add your phone number, your contact information. You can just easily do it. Click on any element, click on edit, and you'll be able to edit that. You want to put some social links on here, maybe your Facebook profile link, your Instagram link. You can do it really easily. Now their website is fully ready. We have to make the website live. So simply click on Go Live button, and you can see it's generated a temporary domain, and in that domain our website is live. We can click on this View Site, and we're on this temporary URL where you can see our whole website is living. But instead of this random URL, we want our own domain name that we have claimed, right? It should be readable and professional like this, so that you can share this domain name to anyone and they'll be able to visit this site through that link. So to do that, go back to the Hostinger, and from here make sure the whole site is saved. Then click on this website builder and click on Hostinger dashboard, and we'll exit into the dashboard. Now let's click on the websites again. Click on website list, and you'll see on the top of the list our random URL is here, random domain name is here. We can easily change it to our own domain name. So click on change domain. And in here we have to type the domain name. So I'm going to type my already claimed domain name. The domain name comes here. I select it and click on the next. Accept everything from here and confirm. And it says the domain name is added to your site. Great. Now continue. And this is our domain name, and in that domain name our generated website is connected. If we just type this domain name on any browser, it doesn't matter if it's a computer or PC, tablet, it'll always take you to this website we have created. How amazing is that? It means your brand website is fully live on the internet. And now in case you want to make changes on the website again, you can always come to the websites, then websites list, and under the domain name, you can click on the edit website. And it'll take you to the Hostinger builder again, where you can edit the whole website. For example, now if you want to add more pages alongside the home, portfolio, about, contact. By the way, we have the other pages I didn't show you. We have the portfolio, where you show all the portfolios, images, your recent works, everything. Then about, that says about your website and everything. Then the contact page, where we have some forms so that visitors can type their name, their messages, and send to you. You can set up your own email address on this form so that anything user sends directly goes to your email. Okay, now let's say you want to add more pages alongside this. So all you gotta do, click on this pages and navigation. You can see the existing pages like home, portfolio, about. Now you can click on add page. Now here we can generate any page by adding some prompts again, or we can choose any template, any existing template from here and edit that. Or we can even choose an empty page. Then on the empty page, we can add elements one by one by generating or creating by ourselves. Now let's say I rename this new page gallery, then save, and then the gallery will be added here. But let's say I want to take the gallery in here between the about and contact. We can just simply drag it and drop it here. It will be here. Now to save the website, click on update website, and you can always go to the domain name and see the website updated live. You see the gallery is added here. Okay, so this is how you quickly create a website using Hostinger AI this easily. Now, many of us might think, if you can make a whole website using AI, why anyone use website builders like WordPress? See, this quick method is for those who want to create a website urgently without thinking anything about website design or technicality. On the other hand, WordPress is for those who want to take control of every detail in their website and want to customize every single element in their website. So if you want to have fully customizable website where you take control of every aspect, you can use website template kits from websites like kitpapa.com, where you can get world-class website design for any kind of business you have. If you have no time at all and need a website urgently, using Hostinger AI Builder or Kitpapa template is a good choice. But if you have a couple days on your hands and want to create a fully customizable website, whether it's a basic website, an informative website, or a fully featured e-commerce website, you can learn WordPress. We have so many videos where we show how to do it fully step by step as a beginner with WordPress. You can watch those too, and you can easily learn WordPress. So I hope you liked this video. In case you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.